Hello everyone. So we are going to solve a multi-step equation with fractions. This should be a review from last year, so I'm just going to do two quick examples. So number one, we will have 2/3 x plus 1/4 equals 5. So the first thing we have to do is find the greatest common denominator of both of the fractions. So the greatest common denominator between 3 and 4 is 12. So what I'm going to do, put all the equation in parentheses and multiply it by 12. What this does is eliminate the fractions. I hate fractions. I don't want to deal with this. So whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. I just want to let you know that this is the greatest common denominator. So what I would do is, of course, because I see a parentheses, I automatically assume multiplication. I'll multiply this to the 2/3 and to the 1/4. So what I will get is, just to make it a little simpler, rewrite it as 12 times 2/3 x plus 12 times 1/4 equals, I need to do 5 times 12, which is just 60. You need to just skip a step right there. So what I would do is, of course, I'll put this 12 over 1, just make it a little easier for us to multiply out. I would do a little cross simplification. So because I know that 3 goes into 12, 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. So now we just do a nice little going cross. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 4 times 2 is 8. And we bring down the x because we did not do anything with the x. Now we bring down the plus sign because we didn't do anything with the plus sign as well. And we do the exact same thing. We know that 4 goes into 12 a certain amount of times, and we know 4 goes into 4 a certain amount of times. So 4 goes into 4 once, and we know that 4 goes into 12 3 times. So we will get 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 1 is 3, equals 60. Now to eliminate the ones, I just wrote it down just to keep it a fraction. Now look at that. It's a nice whole number. We have to solve this in a nice simple one-step, or two-step equation now. So we subtract 3 from both sides. Then we get 57. And then we get 8x equals 57. And dividing this by 8, both sides by 8, we get x equals, I want to say 7 plus some change. So if we do this, we get 57 divided by 8. And we get the 7, 56, 10.12. Bring down again, and we get 2. So I just only say it's 1.125. I know this is a nice hard number to get, but just keep on going, we'll eventually get there in our little division problem.